Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you learn how to create a call center performance dashboard in Power BI to gain real insights into key metrics such as total calls, answered and rejected calls, unresolved cases, and customer satisfaction ratings. You'll discover how to track agents' performance by monitoring calls handled, resolved cases, and satisfaction scores. It also covers how to visualize call distribution by topic and monitor the average speed of answer, enabling managers to identify areas for improvement, enhance agent productivity, and optimize overall call center efficiency. Let's get it started. The first step is to get data into Power BI. Go to Get Data from Excel Workbook. Then let's look for our data. Then open it. This will take us to the navigator. Then it's here. Let's click it. Then let's load it. Let's load it directly to our Power BI. So our data is here. Everything is intact. Everything is there. Let's rename it. Calls record. Okay. This is our table view. Now this is our table. This is its preview. This is the table that we just loaded. Then let's go back to the report view. Okay. The next thing is to add columns and meshes using DAX. Then right click, then go to click new column. The first one you're going to add is calls answered. You're going to use the if function. So let's calls answered equal if, then press tab, then our table, which is call record, equal to y. You have to put it in quotation. Then 1, otherwise 0, then close the bracket, then press enter. So this is it. Let's test it. Let's take a matrix. So it's working. Let's create another column for the calls, for the rejected calls. Right click, then go to new column. Then let's write calls rejected equal, you're going to use the if function, if, then let's look for it in our table. Call records equal to n in quotation, then 1, otherwise put a 0, then close the bracket, then enter. Okay, it's here. Let's pick it and drag it to our matrix. Oh, it's working. Let's add another one. Let's add the call resolved column. Go to new column. Then calls resolved. We're still using the if function. Press if, then enter. Let's go for call record, Then let's go for resolved. If resolved equal to y in quotation, you have to ensure that it's in quotation. Then give us 1, otherwise 0. Then close the bracket. Enter. Let's drag this to our matrix table. It's working. Let's add another one. Right click. Let's copy this. Okay, let's add another column. We're going to add unresolved. Paste it here. Let's edit this. Unresolved. Unresolved calls. We're still going to use the if function. And let's put this, let's change this one to n. Then enter. Let's drag it to our matrix. So it's working. It's working. We already added all the columns. The next thing we are going to do is to add measures. We're still going to use DAX. Go to modeling. Click new table. Then let's rename it. Let's rename it to new measures. Let's delete the table. New measures equal let's add a new measure there. Let's rename it. Let this one be the total calls. Total calls. Here we're going to use the count function to count all the calls that were made in that particular time. Count and then enter. So let's take this one up here. The thing that you're going to do, right click this one and hide the column. There you go, it's up there. Let's add another measure. Go to new measure. I'm going to do the target rating. Just target goes to 4.5, then hit enter. Let's test it. It's working. Okay. Okay. Let's rename this to dashboard. If you want to add more pages, just click the plus sign. That's the dashboard. The first thing you're going to do is to change the wallpaper. We're just going to go with the dark theme. Let's go with black. Okay. Go to insert. Let's pick a line. Go to shape, style, then let's give it a color. Let's go with that one. Go to border, then pick the same color. Increase the width to 2. Then let's resize and reposition it on our dashboard. That it's coming out nicely. The next thing is to add the KPIs or the key metrics. Go to visuals, then you're going to use the new card. So pick total calls, calls answered, rejected calls, resolved and unresolved. Let's drag this. Let's format it. Go to cards. Let's do rounded rectangle. Let's change the corners to 12. Okay, then layout. Let's go with 6 of them. Okay, let's extend this. Let's go to the values and do Arial black. Change the font to 20, then font color. Let's go with, we want to pick a green color. Okay, that one, then make it bold. Center it. And let's go to the labels. Then let's give them a nice font. Let's go with that. Bold. Now let's pick that. You can change it the way you want. Let's go with Arial black. Okay. Let's move it up a bit. Let's change the color. Okay, I think that's nice. Okay. Then bold. Then let's re-edit it again. Go to general. Go to effects. Remove the background. Okay. Then let's go to visual. Then card again. Remove the background. Okay. Let's rename this. We don't need the sum of. So let's delete that. Then to the next. Same thing. Rename it. Next. Name it. And that one. Rename it again. Okay. Let's go to cards again. Let's go to borders. And let's choose that border color. Go to cards again. Increase the width to 2. I think now it's looking okay. Go to general once more. Cards. Go to layout. Let's increase it to 7. So let's put our target. Okay. That's already, now it's there. Let's resize this so that you get enough space for our visuals. Let's add our title. Go to insert, then pick a text box. Pick a font color. Pick font, Arial black, then bold. Then pick a font size. Call center performance dashboard. Then let's remove the background. Okay. Let's increase the font. Okay. Let's take it up there. The next thing is to create the charts and visuals. We are going to start with the clustered column chart. Clustered column chart. We are going to do calls answered and rejected by topic. Then let's pick the calls answered, calls rejected. Then let's pick a topic. Okay. So let's format it. Let's rename this first. We don't need sum of. Let's remove that one. Same to this one. Let's format it. Then pick the legends. Let's go with top center. On the x-axis, let's remove that topic. And let's give it a nice font. Okay. Let's go to x-axis. We don't need them. So on the y-axis, sorry. We don't need them, so remove them. That one, okay. So let's do the title. Let's give it a font color. Let's go with that. Then bold. Then let's remove the background color. Okay. Then let's add a visual border. Let's go with that color. Let's go with 2. Round corners to be 12. Let's give this nice font color. Okay. Then let's format it again. The legends. The data labels. Let's give it a color. Let's pick that. Let's go to general again for the visual. Then columns. Then call answered. Let's change a color. Let's pick a color. Click the drop down. Let's go with that. Okay. So let's go back. Let's pick that. Then let's change this to calls rejected. Then pick that. Okay, that's looking okay. Let's center it, center the title. Let's make it lighter. Let's re-edit this, make it light again. Also on the x-axis, make it lighter. Okay, now it's looking nice. The next, you're going to do a donut chart. Go to our visualization pane and click donut. So we're going to do the overall average satisfaction rate by agent. So let's resize it. Let's resize this to create more space. Okay, let's pick agent. Okay, the satisfaction, then agent. So this is our page, our donut chart. Let's rename the visual. Then let's format paint this. Go to home and put it there. Okay. Let's format the legends. Let's go with the center right. Okay. Now this slices. Go to visual, then slices. We want to give them different colors according to our theme. Let's change that one. Let's change that one. Scroll down, scroll down. Let's go with that green. Let's pick that one. Then the last one. Let's pick that one. Okay. It's looking nice. Next, you're going to do a gauge chart. Go to visualization pane, then click the gauge chart. We're going to determine the average of speed of answer in seconds. So let's resize it. Then let's pick it. Then let's format it. Do average. Format paint this. Okay, there. And let's format it further. Go to gauge. Colors. Let's change this color. Let's go with that green. Okay. Now the data labels. Let's go with remove them. And Then the call out values, let's go with that. Then make it bold. Our next visual is the table metrics. So go to the visualization pane, click the metrics, then pick the agent, then calls answered, calls rejected, calls resolved, and unresolved calls and total calls. Then let's rename these ones. Right click, then rename, remove sum of, delete, do the same, delete sum of, the same to this, delete, then this one also rename, delete sum of. Okay, now it's okay. Let's resize this. Let's resize so that you get enough space for the visualization. Go back to our visuals. Pick the grid lines. Let's pick a color. Let's pick that one. Let's move down. Pick another color. Okay. Then let's pick this. Let's change this color to that. Remove column subtotals and row subtotals. Then go to column headers. Then pick that color. Then change the background to black. Okay. Let's re-edit. Go to cell elements. Let's go to legends. Click top, bottom, left, then right. Click the values. Let's go with that. No, that's not good. Let's pick this other one. Okay. And then this one, let's give it another color. Let's go with that one. Then let's remove the background. Let's pick a border. Let's pick a border font. Border color, sorry. Let's format paint. Okay. Now it's good. So our next visualization will be clustered column. Then click calls answered, calls rejected, and urgent. Okay, let's format paint it again. So everything is nice. Our last visualization will be a bar chart. Go to visualization pane and click it. Then pick the total calls and urgent. Let's format it again. Format paint. Okay. Let's format the bars. Go to visuals. Go to bars. Then let's pick one color. Let's go with that one. Now it's looking okay. Let's pick a color here. Let's do white. Let's create some space for slices. Okay, let's reformat this. Let's change it to that, and that's ain't good. Let's go with the okay, let's remain with white. The next step is do the slices. Go to visualization pane, click the slices. So we're going to slice according to agent and topic. So click the agent. Then let's format our slicer. Let's go with drop down. Then resize it. Let's position it up here, just next to our header. Let's resize it to give us enough space for another slicer. Let's format it. Go to effects, remove the background. Let's go to visual. Then let's change this to that color. Okay. Let's go down. Let's change this other one to that. Then the values. The value, let's go with that color. Now it's coming out nicely. Okay. But I don't like the white background. So I think we need to remove it. Let's make it bold. And let's pick a background color. No, that green ain't good. Let's go with black. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, that's okay. Let's drop borderline. Go to effects, then visual border. Then pick that color. Then do the round. Okay. Copy it. Copy it and paste it here. Okay, let's drag it. Let's resize it to get enough space. So this other slicer, we're going to slice it according to topic. Then let's remove the agent. Then let's look for topic. Okay, click it. This is our dashboard. Download the dataset from the description and follow along to create your own dashboard. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, comment, like, share, and follow. Bye.